Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to adjust text size. In order to adjust text size on your smartphone, let's go to Settings. Find Display and Touch. Display size and text, and here we've got the font size. Tap plus or minus to adjust the font size on your smartphone. Next, you can change style of the text. For example, you can enable bold and outline text. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.